It's Jaden and Aaron here with a video. We're gonna make a couple videos today, but today's video right now we're gonna do a video how to tighten the fingers on the glove. And as you can see, these are really loose, and just feel like tying them right now. So it's usually easier with a tool, but Aaron uses his fingers. But I'm gonna use a tool today. So
what tool is it, Jaden?
Just this long one, stronger one. So the first one, you have to, this one right here, once you pull it out, you have to pull it. It will pull this lace right here, the one that's really small. So then this right here will get really long, and now you take this lace and you pull it from right here. So now you can see that one's nice and tight, and now this one's long. So now you go straight from this one, do this, and then now pull down. Now try to make it even, just so it doesn't look bad or anything. It isn't perfectly even, now it is, almost. So yeah. Now you take the next one, this one's a little bit harder because it's under. You take this one, it goes into that one. Pull it. This one you want to get really tight because this is the up here, and I think it just looks bad if you can see through it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But yeah. So you just keep repeating that process every finger. So now I'm gonna go to this one. And eventually the lace will get really big, and then after it all, this will be probably down to about right there.
You think so?
That's what it was on my last glove. Last time I tightened this. And I'll probably also tighten the top of the web if I want to. I don't know. I might. So, sorry for not in always the happiest. The Packers just freaking got the kick blocked.
For the field goal that would have won the game after they got the onside kick.
Yep.
They had so many chances in that game. It's crazy.
That's ridiculous. That almost hit me in the face.
If you guys like... Sorry, Jaden, you can go.
No, you talk.
Alright. If you guys like these how-to videos, we can do more. Like, we could release a whole glove for you if you want. Because we've got gloves that we could do that with. And, yeah.
Yeah. So,
just comment if...
Yeah, if you'd want us to do that. And then what do you guys want us to do for 50 subscribers? We could do a what's in our bag for Aaron. He does have...
We'll probably just... Since we're together, we'll probably just make a few videos at his house in advance.
Yeah.
Just to see.
Yeah. Maybe I'll do a collection video with him.
Mm-hmm.
With one of Aaron's gloves. He doesn't have them all.
Yeah.
But he has some of them. So this finger, as you can see, is really loose. So
yeah.
This is going to be interesting right here. So yeah, it's kind of nuts how much lace that is. And I'll tell you guys how to do is make a square knot if you guys don't know.
It's pretty easy.
Yeah, you should know, but some people don't. Oh, last one. And then depending on the glove, it will probably get tighter. It should get a little bit stiffer. So now you just have to untie this. Some people,
I kind of loosened it for Jaden so he wouldn't have a tough time to do that in the video, because sometimes it's really hard.
Yeah, that makes me mad. And sometimes people leave the knot because it's too tight, and they just, I don't know how they do it, but they tie another one. That's just, I don't get it, but whatever. So yeah, as you can see, I mean, that's pretty long. So, first I'm going to show you what it looks like. So, this is what it looks like now. I'm going to have to work on straightening the fingers. Now they're kind of rolled, so it's too rolled for my liking. And then now it's a little bit definitely stiffer. I'm not going to tighten the web just because it's already pretty stiff. Maybe I will just for the fun of it, but now I'm going to tie this. So
Yeah, so where it was tied, like right up there, it'll it's gonna loop, but
yeah,
it'll
right
when you start using it, it'll go right back.
So first you take it, and then first you like go down, just like try to put this and make a little circle like that. Then you go around, and then try to get as much as you can, so you make that little circle smaller and smaller. Then you go through, and that's really it. And now you're just trying to. This is a confusing part because it's hard to get the knot perfect.
Yeah,
it
is.
You just have to keep. Don't want it too tight because I'll probably end up loosening this, depending on. So now it's kind of. See, it did get down to where I thought. So now we're gonna pause the video and we're just gonna go. We didn't plan to do this, but I'll go put hot water on it, and then yeah.
Yep.
So just pause the video. Okay, guys. So we're back. Right now we're gonna put the water on this. So just turn on your water. Put it on as warm as it can get. Just let it get warm. It'll take a little bit. So try not to get it on the leather unless you were going to do the hot water treatment or anything. So just do it slowly. Just wait 1 second. Or you don't have to do this. This is just what I prefer to do. Okay, it's really warm now. Just get it all over the way. You'll see it get really dark or something. It's just hard to see its black lace. I'm getting really close to the glove right now, but I'm actually not getting it. You might get a couple drops on it, but don't worry, it's not gonna stain the glove or give it spots. So as you can see, nice and wet. So now we're gonna take it in the other room and pause the video. So then the last part is, while it's still wet, set it down and have something kind of like pull on it while it dries. And so it's just straight and not all curvy or anything. And that's all for this video. We'll be making more videos, so comment, like, subscribe, and see you guys later.